Good afternoon. Welcome to the CAE webinar on Global Sustainability and Environment Program. First of all, can you please let me know if you can hear me? Just type yes in the chat box. Great. I think everyone can hear me. So before I begin, I would like to let you know that this webinar will be about 25 minutes, and then we'll have some time for questions and answers. In addition, we are recording this session, so we can send it to you and you can access it afterwards. And feel free also to type any questions, and I can address them either during the webinar or right after. So my name is Maria Yolova. I'm the academic director for the Global Sustainability and Environment Program here at CIEE. My background is in architecture, urban design, and sustainability, and I have been focusing on interdisciplinary education, especially with focus on smart cities and ecological design. So we're launching this exciting new program in the spring of 2016 in Berlin, Cape Town, and Shanghai. This program was created to provide a broad range of US students with an innovative and rigorous curriculum that examines human action on our environments and explores strategies and techniques for overcoming the challenges that we are facing today. The desired result of the program is to provide students with a powerful mixture of interdisciplinary academic viewpoints, global visions that will come from the interactions with scholars from around the world, but also with applied knowledge how to help the host communities confront the barriers to their sustainable development. We hope to identify, empower, and connect future sustainability leaders. So the students in all three cities will have this global core curriculum that consists of 3 courses: Global Sustainability Seminar, Local Sustainability Project, and Global Sustainability Workshops. In addition, the students will explore environmentally focused topics through the local project that will interact with the host community. In a hands-on workshop, they will be experimenting with new technologies and methods that are being developed in all 3 cities, focused on water preservation and purification, conservation biology, waste management, dealing with air pollution, and more. They will have a series of field trips and excursions that will be closely related to the curriculum, and they will be able to visit sustainable development projects, also interact with government agencies and different sites that have currently environmental challenges in the host cities. This program was developed with partnerships with local thought leaders, environmental engineers, researchers, ecologists, sociologists, and policymakers from all 3 cities. I would like to emphasize that this program is focused on urban sustainability and how that relates to the rural and natural world. We've selected these 3 cities because in all of them we can identify both the challenges and the solutions to these challenges. In Shanghai, we'll be focusing on air pollution and water pollution and soil pollution and some of the new technologies that are being developed there. The program overview we'll go through the curriculum that has the 3 required courses, the project, the workshop, and the seminar, and with specific focus on innovative science and technology solutions. We'll talk about the travel experience, that it's about destination learning and also connecting the global, the regional, and the local perspective. And finally, I'll talk about how this program offers international collaborations by connecting all 3 sites and focusing on comparative learning. In each city, the students will take the 3 required courses: the Global Sustainability Seminar, the Local Sustainability Project, and the Global Sustainability Workshop. In addition, students will be able to choose from a number of electives that are offered by the CIE centers, including a language. The total amount of credits, it's 15 credits per semester. The seminar is 4 semester credits. The project is 4 semester credits. And the workshop is 4 semester credits. In addition, they can take 1 elective 3 semester credits. The duration is between 15 to 16 weeks. We have tried to align the semesters with the American academic calendar. However, we have to take into account the local calendars in addition to local seasons. So you can see there is a slight variation let's see, in Cape Town in the spring semester. They'll have 2-week breaks in the middle of the semester where they'll travel, and will also have the opportunity to volunteer. Similarly, in Shanghai, the spring semester starts a little bit later because of the Chinese New Year's. This program was designed as one of our honors STEM program. We have specific requirements. So we'd like students to be advanced in their studies with GPA of 3.0, with a minimum of 2 college level courses in either environmental studies or environmental science. In addition, we recommend that they have at least 1 college level of science course with integrated lab. We can accommodate students who don't have this experience by providing 2 different workshops, one that is more appropriate for the environmental science students and one for the environmental studies students. In addition to these 2 majors, students studying environmental engineering, life sciences, social sciences, obviously sustainability can apply, as well as students from architecture, urban design, and planning. In Cape Town, the focus will be on sustainability and community development, again looking at both the local perspective and the local challenges and how that connects to the sustainability and community questions of the country, the whole continent, and the relationships to the rest of the world. The most important part of the program will be the local sustainability project. We have contacted local sustainability leaders who are currently working on actual projects in all 3 cities, and together with them we are developing a specific curriculum that will provide the students a real-world understanding of environmental problems and how to engage in these applied projects so they can have a real impact on the local communities. So students will be able to participate in collaborative research, but also receive real professional training and have access both to the community, but to the technological resources that are offered there. So in each city, again, working with local experts will address such as issues as local water quality, urban farming, looking at renewable energy in Germany, and also applying the principles of phytoremediation to address both the air and water pollution in Shanghai. This is an example of the local sustainability project in Berlin, which is the redevelopment of an old airport that is right now in the center of Berlin, and the idea that this can become a completely energy self-sufficient site. So a lot of new technologies are being applied there. The Global Sustainability Seminar will introduce the students to the idea of the global perspective and connecting to the local perspective, and through the balance of both environmental but also social and economic emphasis. We will examine the local perspective through a series of case studies where the students will be able to visit the local sites, interact with local experts and local community members. In addition, this course will explore the global perspective by connecting the three sites. We'll deliver a number of online lectures, both from the three sites of the program, but also connecting to other sustainability programs within CIE from Costa Rica and Bonaire and Perth in Australia, to focus not just on the urban sustainability, but also how the impact of cities then it's reflected in rural and tropical locations. This is one of the sites that the students in Berlin will study. They'll visit the Hamburg International Building exhibition, where in the last 12 years a whole new neighborhood has been developed following the principles of sustainable environmental design. Finally, the global sustainability workshops will be offered in two different classes. The science and engineering workshop will be offered for students with a strong science background who have some laboratory experience, and that will include learning and experimenting with new technologies such as water purification, renewable energy generation, and waste management. In addition, the students from environmental studies disciplines who don't have the required science background will be able to take workshops that focuses more on policy development and addressing how you can work in interdisciplinary teams. Both workshops will be closely related to the local sustainability project, where the students will be able to come together and work in interdisciplinary teams on solving the local problems. And we have access through our collaborators to state-of-the-art laboratory where we'll provide the ability for our students to experiment. This is one example of the Global Sustainability Workshop in Berlin, where we are working with Arab Berlin. This is one of the most advanced engineering firm in the world, and they have developed this project where they're using algae bioreactors in the walls of a residential building to use the energy from the sun and grow algae and generate biofuel. An important part of this program is the ability to collaborate and connect. We have designed this program so because of the uniform curriculum, the students from all three sites will connect through an online platform. They'll have joint lectures they'll learn about all three cities in the seminar portion of the program, but they will also be able to work collaboratively on certain projects and exchange the information and watch the presentations. In addition, we'll tap into the CIE network of faculty in all the other sustainability and STEM programs that we offer around the world to deliver a rich variety of viewpoints that a single local professor could not offer. And again, the emphasis is on urban sustainability with a focus on smart cities. An important part of this program is the Global Sustainability Summit, where we'll bring together both students and faculty from this program and from our existing programs. They'll have the opportunity to present their work and receive feedback from global sustainability experts. We understand that there are challenges with time zones and logistics, but we are committed to connect all the sites and have this fruitful exchange. We hope that we'll be able to provide scholarships to the best students to travel to one site each semester, and where we'll host the summit, and that will shift from city to city, semester after semester. And finally, in Berlin, we are using a lot of the existing examples that are there of local sustainability. In addition, we are developing the Berlin Global Institute. CIEE purchased a building centrally located in Kreuzberg. This is an old factory that we have just converted into this really exciting center, and it will open in August of this year, where we can house over 200 students into 3-bedroom apartments, and we'll have our classrooms and laboratories and cafeteria there. The courtyard is designed to accommodate a lot of exciting programming, and we'll have also faculty apartments accommodated there. This center will also have a number of German students living there. They will serve as RAs and also offer access to our students for collaborative projects and cultural integration. Similarly, we have really great facilities in Cape Town. We are working with the University of Cape Town. We have a residence hall located nearby where our students will be living. And in Shanghai, we are working with ECNU, and we have a residence hall right on campus that our students can choose to live with either Chinese students or CIE students. And of course, in all 3 cities, will continue to offer homestay options for the students who choose to do so. We have a commitment to undergraduate research, and to encourage that, we will publish Sustainability and Environment online journal that will again connect our existing programs to our new programs, and will be an essential part of both of the program, where the best publications will be delivered at the Global Sustainability Summit. Well, all these three programs are offered by CIEE, and these are CIEE courses. In each city, we work closely with collaborators that provide our faculty access to laboratories, access to libraries, but also we're connected with their students, and we have the ability to organize collaborative projects as part of the curriculum, but also intercultural activities. In Berlin, we are working with the Technical University of Berlin, and more specifically the Department of Sustainable Urban Planning and Urban Design. And so a number of faculty members are coming from there, and they're also actively pursuing the local sustainability project that will be the focus of our course. We are also working with Arab Berlin. As I said, this is the leading engineering firm that will, one of their members will be teaching the workshop in Berlin. In Cape Town, we are working with University of Cape Town. Even though the students will be involved in the CIE courses, they'll also have a student status. They'll be living next to the university, and they'll be able to use all the facilities there. Some of the faculty members will come from the African Center for Cities. That it's one of the leading research institutions focused on sustainability and community, not just in Cape Town, but also in the whole continent of Africa. In Shanghai, we are working with East China Normal University, or ECNU, and we partner with the Global Institute for Urban and Regional Sustainability. They are one of the leaders for sustainable development and research in Shanghai, and their current research is focused on remediation of both water, air, and soil. And this ends my presentation today. As I said, we'll be happy to send you a link. I know if you have any questions, you can either type them in the chat box, and I'll try to answer them, or feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to be in touch. More information about this program can be found on the link that I provided here on this page. And thank you very much for listening today. Okay, there is one question. Can I repeat the institution in Shanghai? We are working with ECNU, that's East China Natural University.